This week's announcement video is brought to you by CCF Icy Pops.
Guys, let's try to get some rest.
Hey, there's Jeremy.
Oh, let's give him a ride.
Hey, Jeremy, do you want a ride?
Oh yeah, man. Thanks. Appreciate it.
No. I'm just kidding, man. Get in. No, but for real this time. For real this time.
Open the door.
I'm sorry.
Rick, at least I don't have to go through the dwarf door when I go to dwarf house. God, I gotta go, man.
Yeah, that seemed like a rough phone call. I was gonna have this Coke, but you can have it.
Hey, thanks guys. That's really nice.
Yeah, appreciate it.
What the crap? I didn't know that from you. Take that, Nate!
Caught up in the love of the world, looking for you. I'm known for taking what I think I deserve, and you're overdue. And if you listen, you can hear me through the radio, in that bright white noise. What I've been missing